Hello, in this video I will show you how to record a call in WhatsApp. Now it's a very easy process. So you may already know that there is no actual setting inside the WhatsApp application itself to record any type of calls. So in this case, what you have to do is you have to use a third-party software called Talker ACR. You can find this on Play Store or App Store. It's very easy to find and one of the most popular application used. So you won't face any problem finding it. Now, once you install this application, open the application. Then just simply do some quick setup. So click on next. Then grant permissions for recording your audio and allow all of the information over here. Then just simply do the following settings that will be shown to you on your screen. So just simply complete the process. Now, once you have completed the setup phase, all you need to do is just simply do the call, and after that you will find a notification at the top bar. So let me show you. So as you can see right over here, I am currently calling and the audio is going to be recorded right over here, as you can see. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.